This portable air compressor is perfect for any family and individual, compact size and with a carry bag, allowing you to keep easily in your automobile or home. It comes with as well 3 different additional adapters for different inflatables like basket, awl, air mattress, etc. The air compressor equipped with AC/DC with 12-volt car cigarette light plug. The LED lights help you use it in the dark night. You can easily see what you're doing. On display, you can quickly switch the pressure in PSI, bar or kilogram per centimeter squared, or use plus or minus to set the pressure to preferred value, and then wait around 3 seconds until the display stops flashing before pressing the start button. The tire pump will automatically shut off when the preset pressure has been achieved. An 110 to 120 volt wall plug for home outlet makes this inflator more useful since you can use it anywhere.